Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Bakit maraming nadismaya sa post ng ABS-CBN News? Don Bell official naglabas ng statement at kinall out ang ABS-CBN News. Matapos ang naging statement ni Donnie Pangilinan to clarify the issue at pag-depend kay Bell, marami naman ngayon ang nadismaya sa post ng ABS-CBN News. Kinall out ito ng ilang fans at ng ilang fandom ang naturang post ng GMA News, Pep Alerts at ng ABS-CBN News lalo pat home network ito ng Don Bell. Ito kasi ang naging post ng ABS-CBN News. Donnie Pangilinan defends Shubi Itrata amid backlash for being visible plastered upon seeing the actor at a birthday party. He also urged bashers to leave his on-screen partner Bel Mariano out of the issue. Donnie Pangilinan calls for end to online hate after Shubi Itrata faced backlash. At yan nga ang mga post ng ABS-CBN News. Ang naturang post na ito ng ABS-CBN News ay nagkaroon nga ng samot-saring reaksyon ng mga netizens. Maging si Franz Sahorda napakomento na rin. Passion Police and Bandera read and understood the assignment. Anyari ABS-CBN News. Ayon naman dito sa isang fan, sabi ko di na ako papatol pati pala mother network niya walang comprehension. At this point, it only proves na planado talaga lahat kaya pala ang daming kamera, knowing it was private pala. Ayon din dito sa isang fan, ngayon nyo sabihin na favorite ng management ang Don Bell. In news media mismo binabalahura sila. Nakakapanggigil parang isumpa Nakalimutan natin nila kung sino yung sumagip sa ABS-CBN, wala ng credible source sa Pilipinas. He did not defend Shubi. He defends Bel Mariano. Ayon pa dito sa isang komento. At ayon din dito kay Kai, isang mapagkatiwalaan na Don Bell fan, kanina pa umano siya pigil na pigil mag-reply. Sa lawak umano ng kanyang reach, ayaw umano niyang makita na nag-i-engage siya, lalo pat umano na kasasabi niya lang na do not engage to free promo. Marami mga fans ang nadismaya sa post ng ABS-CBN News, patuloy pa rin ang tiwala ng mga fans kay Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano. At maging ang Don Bell official ay naglabas na din ng statement sa naging post nga ng ABS-CBN at kinall out nga nito ang GMA News, Pep Alerts, Felstar at ang ABS-CBN News. Ayon dito, as hard as it's to admit most times, we in this fan community are all we've got. But now it's time to make a stand. We do not deserve this. Act with integrity. We're not just people you can get money off of. At ABS-CBN News, at GMA News, at Philstar News, at FEP Alerts. To all Babbies, hugs with consent and finally take time to rest your mind this week. It has been too much. Against all odds, please know that you are always loved, valued, and uplifted by the real ones in this community. Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano. At narito nga ang naturang statement ng Don Bell official.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I